Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching my videos, for liking, for sharing. I appreciate you. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. If you're new here, you're definitely welcome to the family. My name is Waya Solution. Please hit the subscribe button so that you'll be part of the family. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to always get notified anytime I upload new videos. Please subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. If you are a returning subscriber, you're definitely welcome. I appreciate you. Thank you for your support. Thank you for watching. God bless you and your home. Thank you so much, guys. In today's video, I'll be teaching about how to catch witches and wizards red-handed. Okay. You guys must have heard about this leaf called Ogirisi. The Igbos call it Ogirisi. The Yorubas call it Akoko. The Hausas call it Aduruku. Okay, this leaf in Nigeria or Africa as a whole is known as tree of life. Okay, tree of life, or they call it fertility tree. This leaf has so many benefits, both spiritually and for treatment. Okay, I couldn't get the leaf. Okay, I couldn't get the leaf from the market, but I'm going to explain everything. Okay, everything perfectly so that you guys out there will understand. Okay, this leaf is very powerful. It's very powerful. It's known as the tree of life, and some call it tree of life or fertility tree. It's very powerful. um, if you are not from Nigeria, the botanical name for the leaf, because I write it down, let me pronounce it, is NEWBOULDIA laevis. NEWBOULDIA laevis, that's the botanical name. That's if you're not from Nigeria. If you're from Nigeria, if you are from Nigeria, if you are an Igbo, it's called Ogirisi. If you are a Yoruba, it's called Akuko. If you are from if you are an Hausa, it's called Aduruku. Okay, so if you are not from Nigeria, the botanical name is NEWBOULDIA laevis. Okay, this leaf is very powerful. It has so many benefits. Okay, it's used to treat fever, headache, and epilepsy, convulsion, and so many others. Okay, but today I'll be talking about the spiritual benefits. Okay, if you get your Ogirisi from the market, okay, as you get your Ogirisi from the market, you take just 3 leaves. No matter how strong that witch is, no matter how strong that witches and wizard is. Okay, there are some people out there, every night you'll be experiencing mark on your body. Witches will be coming to fight you, wizard out there will be coming to fight you, or in your business they'll be turning to cats to come and destroy your property, your goods and everything. Or they'll be coming to your home to come and attack your kids, your husband, or you, or your family. Even if they turn to cat, even if they turn to rat, no matter how strong, even if the witch has 9,000 posts or whatever. Okay, I assure you, with this leaf, hand will meet that witch. Hand will meet that witch, I assure you. Okay, all you have to do, are you getting me? All you have to do, as you get this leaf from the market, you can use the fresh one or the dry one. So far is Ogirisi. Okay, get 3 leaves, just only 3. Okay, no matter the quantity you bought from the market, just get just 3 leaves. You are using just 3 leaves. Get your 3 leaves, then you get a white rope or thread. Let me see, thread, like this thread. You can see this thread. You get your thread. As you get your thread, that 3 leaves, okay, you will use this thread to tie the leaves together. You begin to tie. I'm sorry, guys, that I couldn't get the leaf to show you, but I'm explaining everything so that you guys out there will understand perfectly. You begin to tie. Okay, you begin to tie. Tie. Make sure you tie that leaf very well with the rope, this white thread. Okay, make sure you use white thread. You tie very well. Okay, so at the entrance of your house, you hang it up there. Okay, if the witches or wizard is coming to disturb you, okay, so that entrance, your doorpost, look for, if you can get a nail, just look for a nail, just hit the wall, okay. Then the ogirisi that you just tied, you hang it there, okay. I assure you, if that witches or wizard, if that witch come to your house, without um without he or she having the idea that you've already hang one of the most powerful ogirisi there, I assure you, you will wake up, you will meet either cat or rat or human being lying lifelessly. I assure you, ogirisi is very, very powerful. Ogirisi is very, very powerful. The tree of life is very, very powerful. Do not play with this ogirisi, okay. If they are coming to torment your shop, to destroy your goods, everything, there was a woman, okay, there was a woman I gave this remedy, as in Nigeria, this indomie, they will destroy, as they will enter the carton, they will eat everything, they won't even eat one, they will just put oye, eat all the indomie, like, as the woman will just in the morning, the woman will just be crying, what's all this now, as in, like, they show the woman pepper. So my chi just, like, my chi revealed to me that I should help this woman. So I called her, I said, madam, please stop crying, okay, there's solution. My name is Waya Solution, though my name is Festus Waya, but my channel's name is Waya Solution. I said there's no problem with that solution, okay. The woman said, I said I can help you. The woman said, yes, you can help me. I said, yes, I can help you. I don't need any money from you, I don't need anything from you, okay. For me to help people, I don't need any money from people, I don't ask you for money, okay. I will just give you the recipe or the remedy, okay. I'll tell you, go ahead, okay, make sure you have this belief, okay, and it's going to work for you and you will testify. I don't collect money from people, okay. That's the message from my chi. I don't collect money for people to do anything. So I told the woman that, okay, madam, look at this is what you will do. Go and get ogirisi from the market. You know ogirisi? She said yes. And luckily she's an Igbo woman. I said, go and get ogirisi from the market, okay. Take just 3 leaves, get a white thread, use it to tie it, hang it. The woman was like, just that? I said, yes. I said, sure you've heard about ogirisi before? She said, yes, they use it for cooking and so. I said, okay, this leaf is very, very powerful. You must have heard that ogirisi is tree of life. Don't underrate this leaf. So she went ahead, get the leaf. So the way I instructed, she did it and everything. She was like, as in rats don't even, because once the witch just know that maybe the witch that is coming to attack you in the night, or your children or your husband, once he or she just know that there's ogirisi there, the witch will just run. But if the witch doesn't have that sign, maybe in the night he or she just come with full force, instantly you wake up, you meet lifeless body. If possible, you meet lifeless body, or you come and meet cat in your room, maybe white cat or black cat, big cat, you come and meet cat there, or rat, come and meet rat that is lifelessly. The cat won't be able to move, okay. This ogirisi will subdue their power. No matter how strong that witch or wizard is, this ogirisi will subdue their power, okay. Ogirisi is very, very powerful. Please do not underrate this leaf. So once you do this, I'll assure you, you're going to see positive results, okay. I decided to share this information out there because I know a lot of people out there need this information. So I decided to share the knowledge so that the people, the world, will gain this knowledge and start putting it into practice so that they can start improving their life, okay. Me, I can't be sleeping, I will be afraid of witches or wizards. No, I can even sleep, my door will be open. I assure you, this is my channel. You're going to gain a lot, you're going to learn a lot from this channel, to a point that you'll be sleeping that you can even leave your door open. No thief can even come inside, no witches or wizard can even come and disturb you. No, okay. You are more powerful, okay. You are more powerful than what you think. You are more powerful. Please, before I forget, as you're doing this, make sure you have belief, okay. Belief is one of the main key points, and if you hang it there, make sure you also pray that witches or wizard that is coming to disturb me, okay, let this ogirisi hold that witches or wizard, okay. Make sure you pray, because prayer is the number one thing. Prayer is the key. pray out there. If you believe in God or any dead out there, just pray, okay? Once you're done praying, make sure you believe. That's the second thing. Make sure you believe. Have that belief, that strong affirmation, okay? And I assure you, you're going to see results. You'll be surprised. You'll be surprised. Ogirisi is very, very powerful. Please don't underestimate the power of Ogirisi. Thank you so much. Like I said before, this leaf, you can also use this leaf to treat convulsion. You can also use this leaf to treat headache, fever, epilepsy, and so many others, okay? This leaf is very, very powerful. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, drop your comments. I will be replying your comment. Please keep sharing my videos. Please share this video, share these videos, guys, so that a lot of people will gain this knowledge. We have this information. Please share this video, keep sharing my video. Thank you so much, guys. I'll be praying for you guys, okay? If you my Facebook name is Festus Waya, while my Facebook page is Waya Solution. Thank you so much, guys. Stay blessed.